Hi, my name is Jessica, and I have a beautiful terrace garden that I love to spend time in. Let me tell you all about it. I live in a place where I don't have a big backyard, but I'm lucky to have a terrace. So, I decided to turn my terrace into a garden. It's not very big, but it's my little green paradise. I have different kinds of plants in my garden. Some are colorful flowers like roses, daisies, and sunflowers. They make my terrace look so pretty, especially when they bloom in different colors. I also grow some vegetables and herbs, like tomatoes, mint, and basil. It's amazing to grow my own food. Taking care of my plants is something I really enjoy. Every morning, I water them, and make sure they get enough sunlight. I talk to my plants too, they say it helps them grow better. I also remove any weeds, and give them plant food, to keep them healthy. I have small pots, and big ones too. I love arranging them in a way that looks nice. Some pots hang on the walls, some sit on the floor, and some are placed on a small table. It's like a mini garden, with a variety of plants, in different shapes and sizes. My favorite thing about my terrace garden is the peaceful feeling it gives me. I love sitting on a chair, surrounded by all the greenery. It's so calming and refreshing. Sometimes, I read a book, or just relax, and enjoy the view of my garden. Having a terrace garden also attracts some visitors. Birds often come to my garden. They chirp and sing while flying around. It's delightful to watch them play among the plants. Sometimes, butterflies also visit, adding more beauty to my garden. I've also set up a small area with colorful cushions and a table where I invite my friends over. We have tea and chat while enjoying the lovely atmosphere of my garden. It's a great place for some quality time together. Maintaining my terrace garden is not always easy. Sometimes, pests come and bother my plants, or the weather gets too hot or rainy. But I try my best to take care of them, because they make me happy. My terrace garden is my little piece of nature in the city. It's a place where I find peace, joy, and connect with nature. I love spending time here, watching my plants grow, and enjoying the beauty of my green haven.